Hey, what's up, Journey Gang? Thank you so much for tuning back into the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Life. On this channel, we bridge the gap between neuroscience and spirituality. We focus on how the mind works so we can create our own reality. Now, if that sounds like you'll get down, then you're in the right place. Hang out a while, subscribe if you feel in the vibe, and then, of course, feel free to hit the like button and comment on any videos that resonate with you. In today's video, we are talking about making now enough. When we're thinking and stressing about things, we're either thinking about the past, we're either stressing about what happened in the past, or we're using our imagination to stress about what might happen in the future. Anything else is made up. So now, right now is really the only reality. So no matter what is going on in your circumstances, no matter what happened in the past or what you think might happen in the future, if you make right now enough, make right now, being alive, breathing right now, make that enough. Make that enough to be grateful for. Make that enough to be happy about. Make that enough to make you smile, because it really is the key to creation. That is how you are going to attract more that is going to make you smile, more that is going to make you happy. So we look at our circumstances and we're like, this is not going right. I wish that I was happy. I wish that I could be happy. I wish that I had this, and that. Then I would be happy. But we don't realize that the way to attract this, and that, the way to attract those things that we want and those things that we desire is to make now enough. Make this moment good enough. Just being here on this planet, just being alive. And I promise you, you will start to see incremental changes in your life. I'm one that can attest to that. Since I started on this journey and I really started to just choose happiness, choose gratitude, choose appreciation, choose love. Once I started to do those things on a regular basis and really make that who I am at my core, no matter what was going on in my circumstances, because I promise you, it has not been all sunshine and roses, okay? But since I began choosing my day, since I began choosing how I feel, selecting those things that I allow to make me feel some type of way and what doesn't, I only focus on things that make me feel good. I don't focus on things that's going to make me sad or mad or fearful. You have to really be cautious and careful about the things that you consume. And if those things are not healthy for you, be strong enough to back up off of it. Okay? Be strong enough to turn away from it. And then no matter what, make now enough. Choose happiness, choose gratitude, choose joy, choose peace, right? Choose those things that will then be your point of attraction, and you will start to find joy, peace, gratitude, appreciation, all those things that you're actually wanting and longing for. You have to be it first. You have to choose it first. No matter what the programming is, no matter what your subconscious mind is telling you, no matter what your ego says about the situation, choose to make now enough. I hope this quick video has given you some sort of motivation or encouragement. If it did, or if you liked the video, just click like. I'm grateful that you all have watched this video all the way to the end. I love you all for no reason at all. I'll see you next time.